A magnificent edifice, standing tall and proud in the heart of the Cholistan desert, even centuries after its construction, the Derawar fort speaks volumes of the legacy of a bygone era. The magnanimity of the fort is visible at a glance, with its 40 bastions that stretch across the Cholistan desert for miles. The walls have a circumference of 1,500 meters and stand up to 30 meters high. The first fort on the site was built by Rai Jaja Bhutta. It remained in the hands of the royal family of Jaisalmer until captured and completely rebuilt by the Nawabs of Bahawalpur in 1733. In 1747, the fort slipped from the hands of Abbasis in the reign of Nawab Bahawal Khan due to his preoccupations at Shikarpur. Nawab Mubarak Khan took the stronghold back in 1804. The whole area around Derawar was once well watered by the Ghaggar River. 500 kilometers of the dry river bed is home to over 400 archaeological sites, mostly dating back to the Indus civilization. In the 18th century, the fort served as a residence for over 12,000 people, along with being part of a long chain that protected the ancient trade route from Central Asia to the Indian subcontinent for at least 5,000 years. Nawab Bahawal Khan also constructed a mosque at the site in 1849, with cupolas and domes of exquisite marble, in which is a replica of the Moti Mosque in Delhi. According to legendary accounts, there are several graves near the fort which are said to be of the companions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad and other Muslim reformers who rendered great services to spread the light of divine Islam in the area. Situated a few hundred miles from the fort, there is a hall with engraved doors in which Abbasi amirs and their families are buried. Burnt bricks were used for the construction of the exterior walls of the Derawar fort. It is believed that these bricks were brought from Uch Sharif. They were transported to the site from hand to hand, a symbol of the laborers' collaborative activity and their devotion to their ruler. According to historical accounts, Derawar is considered a prehistoric and pre-Harappan settlement which existed at the time when Alexander crossed the Hakra River near Derawar and was the capital of Bahawalpur state. However, the Abbasi rulers turned the Hindu city into a perfect Muslim metropolis. Compared to other historical sites in Pakistan, the Derawar fort has stood the test of time relatively well, and the structure still stands intact in all its glory. Nevertheless, efforts are required to maintain this treasure of the mighty Cholistan desert, as it enjoys an unparalleled historic and architectural significance.